welcome back to the Audi. It's a Sunday. Just finished doing some bits on my mate's Golf Mark 5, TV boots and oil and filter. But now, back at the Audi. So, got those wheels which I'm going to put on, which should clear the calipers so I can actually move it. And we're going to move it over there, clean all the bird shit off of it and stuff like that, and go from there. So let's go get a jack, bring it out here, and then we'll get those wheels changed over. That's one of them on, it fits, which is good. That's just the other side. I'm gonna have to drive it forward despite it rubbing, because I can't even get fucking in there to do it. So let's move it forward. And there we go. It's out from where it's sat. It feels so weird. Yeah, this fucking bush, because I parked in the winter and things weren't growing. It's like growing into it. So, yeah. Not really any oil patches, right? Let's just do a loop in it, try to clear the rust off the brakes. It does not smell great here. So I've already bought radius of pads for it, so I don't really care about how they are. The fronts are sorted. Shut that up. It drives sort of okay, to be honest. Like, obviously it always drove alright, but it's horrible with the steering wheel. It needs a standard one back in. Clutch still works alright. Pedal don't feel great for brakes. Obviously, how rusty as fuck. Hope the rear wheels are tight. So that would be ideal. Still pulls. Come on. Let's wash it now. Mixed up some shit in this. I've snow foamed it. I'm sort of going over it with the pressure washer to sort of see what will come out. It's like from fuel almost. Yeah, then I'll snow foam it again and go over it with a sponge and mitt and stuff and try to get the rest of it off. But yeah, it's taken a while. It's already looking better though. Yeah. So it's starting to look better. Hard work. But yeah, just snow foamed it, rinsed it off, snow foamed it again, and then I've just been scrubbing it, and it's coming off. Looking better. The paint's not great on this anyway. The bonnet's rusty. And yeah, looking better. Let's do the wheels. So that's all be it for now. Not clean wise. We're going to do a few more bits. So yeah, got most of it off. Never noticed this before. There must have been like a diesel spell at some point. So and then it comes off. What the fuck? What the fuck is that then? I don't know. Got most of that shit off, which is running okay. So I've given her a vacuum inside, got her on the ramp, taken the headlight out, and it needs more work than I thought. It needs a slam panel, because yeah, chassis rail's not bent, but this end panel has been folded over. I'm going to take the bumper off and just check it all. Yeah, so it's cracked slam panel there, cracked it there. So it'd just be easy to get a new one, and they're not that expensive, so I'll get another one. I can repair my headlight. Those tabs are broken off the top, but you can get repair ones that screw into there. So I'll do that. So bumper off, that gives me a better idea. Yeah, you can see. So yeah, good thing. Chassis rail looks straight as though there's no kinks in it or anything. See from where the hit, it's like taking the bit off of rust, but I reckon you could use something to sort of bend it back straight again. And it's got a slight curve to it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So then that should be it for this video. To assess what sort of needs doing, we need a slam panel to fix a thing. We also need a headlight. We've also ordered rear disc and pads and drop plates. It's a sort of set of wheels. I've had that off for now. Looking a lot better without the bird poop on it. There's still some, it needs another wash. It's like there. But it's better for now. Yeah. More to come on it once we actually start making some progress. I want to go find a slam panel online to buy, and then we can do that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.